Hi, my name's Tom Kaye. I'm studying level 3 MVQ plumbing and heating at Blackburn College. I'd say the best thing about my apprenticeship was probably earning while I was learning. Great to have that extra bit of income coming in. So if you're on a full-time course, you're learning but you're not getting anything else more than that. But I'm gaining my knowledge and experience both in classroom, learning the knowledge I need, and then gaining the experience on site. The skills I'm currently learning are how to install and commission gas boilers and how to test and service them as well, and then also earning that money as well as an extra bonus.